What's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you my KDP income report for the month of July 2021. Let's straight go to my book report dashboard and check all the statistics. So this is my whole time earnings. As you can see, I have consistent sales after New Year and I'm very happy. I think the things is going to be better because the Q4 is coming and I start preparing for Q4. So let's move this for the last month. Give it just a few seconds to load and we're gonna see the statistics. So there you go. My earnings for July 2021 is $509.77, but this is not the pure profit. I also need to deduct the ad spend because I was running ads. We're gonna see this at the end of the video and we're gonna deduct the ad spend. So as you can see, I had good days. My best day is July of 19. I have $31.60 earned. On the July 29th, also $31.34. Here also on 6th of July, $30.23. And I also have very bad days just with one sale, $261 and $394. Let's move this to units and we're gonna see the biggest day. I sold 13 units. I had few more good days. July of 19, 12 units, and here also 12 units, here 10 units, and the worst days 1 unit, here is a 2 units, 2 units, and 2 units. So let's move to the marketplace and see. The most of my sales came from Amazon.com, 77% and 4. Also 22.1% from Amazon UK and 0.5% from France. So my best-selling book is still a guest book. It's niche down. My second best-selling book, it's a recipe book. The third one, it's workbook. It's also niche down. The fourth one, it's love related. I created this for Valentine's Day, but I targeted evergreen keywords. Probably that's why this book is still selling and this is very nice for me. The fifth one, it's also workbook. So the fifth one and third one, this is one of my latest uploads and it's workbook niche down. I'm very happy that this book starts selling because they are in very competitive niche. And this is the proof that if you spend time to create nice looking cover and good interior, you can sell books in very saturated niches with success. I'm running ads, but anyway, this book starts selling and I'm very happy because this book can be my best-selling books after a few months because the niche is very popular and is very competitive as well. So let's move forward. Next one is guest book as well. All of my books, they are niche down. The next one is Blank Recipe Cookbook. The next one, it's also Blank Recipe Cookbook. This one is Blank Wine Notebook. The next one is Composition Notebook. This one is Workbook. This one is also a Blank Wine Notebook. And let's see this one, Composition Notebook. As you can see, my best-selling book, it takes around 28.3% of my whole sales. So let's move down and see how many units I sold. So there you go. My whole sales, I sold 208 books and I earned $5,000, I wish, $509.77. Probably next year is gonna be 5,000. I'm very sure that it's gonna happen. My best selling book for this month, it's a guest book, Niche Down, 54 units, $144.03 earned. The second one, 19 units. This is Recipe Journal or Recipe Cookbook, $61.56. The third one, it's a workbook, 29 units, and I earned $58.58. As you can see, this one Recipe book, because I'm selling this book with higher price, I sold less books and I earned more. And the third one, as you can see, I sold more books and I earned less, but anyway, I'm happy with this. The fourth one, 19 units, this is love related that I told you that I created for St. Valentine's Day. 19 units, $40.46. Workbook, 12 units, $24.94. This one is guest book, 8 units, $20.88. Recipe book, 5 units, $16.20. Recipe book, 6 units, $12.24. This one is blank wine notebook, 5 units, $10.64. Composition notebook, workbook, blank recipe notebook, composition notebook, guest book. This one is guest book as well, but in different niche, and this is with I selling this, I think, $11.99. That's why the profit is so good. I need to start running cuts on these books. This one is blank wine notebook, and this one is like workbook as well. So let's move to my advertising account and see my ad spend, and we're gonna deduct this from the total earnings. So we are in my advertising dashboard now. Let's move this to last month. We're gonna keep this to all campaigns. So my total spend is $127.35. This is the sales, it's not the pure profit. This is the all amount of the sales, $543.27 with a cost of $23.44, which is very good a cost. But you can see here at the beginning of the month, my a cost was on like break even or even on loss. Here is 53, and after that I start optimizing my ads. I lower my bid because some of the books the bid was very high, and I lower my a cost, and the rest of the month my ads was running on profit. I'm also very happy with this. You can see that some of my books, they are running on loss, but even though my a cost is very good and in total I'm on profit. So let's open the calculator and deduct the ad spend from the earnings. So let's open the book report again. So my total earnings are 509.03. Oh. I'm very keen to earn this amount of money. It's not in purpose, guys. So 509.03 minus 127.35 equal. So my total earning for month of July is $381.68, and I also have few more spends for Creative Fabrica, BookBoat, and Canva. The rest is my GetResponse subscription. This is I also outsourcing the most complex coding autoresponder that I want to create because I'm not Illustrator, and that's how they're gonna be better quality. So I think every next month is gonna be better because Q4 is coming. I'm preparing for Q4. My plan is to produce between 5 to 10 books per day like last year. I'm gonna create workbooks, planners, composition notebooks, scalable designs. And just to mention, guys, I'm still running competition for 1 month free subscription for BookBoat. You can win 1 month for free, and after that, if you decided to renew, you can contact the support with my coupon and you can use 20% off. I'm gonna link this video in your right hand corner. So that's been said, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.